customer complained that the horn is not working. So unless you turn the steering wheel, sometimes it doesn't work at all, and the panels too are not working. And I diagnosed them for now that the clock spring, which I'm about to change. But before you can take the airbag out, you have to push out the pin here. It's a pin, so you have to push it out. And there's another one here also. So when you watch into the, yeah, you see that pin over there. So that's what you push. Then there's one here also. So I think this one you see it clear. So that's the pin that you push out so that the airbag will come out. So after pushing the pins out, the airbag just came out. So we take the airbag socket out, then we place the airbag down. So you take this nut out, it is 21. After taking this the the steering wheel out, then you take out star. So you slack this 21 nuts out. Then you hit the steering wheel. So you take this socket out also. The socket will come out with the steering wheel. So this is the steering wheel, then the airbag. These are the pins that you'll be pushing out. This one, then this one, and this one. So when you push them out, it's locked this way. So when you push this thing out, it will pop it up. So now you take the 3 screws out. 1, 2, then the last one is here. It's down there. After taking the screws out, you pop this thing open. Hmm? You take this thing out. Then you push. There are some lockers around, so you push. There are 3. One here, one here, then one there. So before you push them out, you make sure you take out the sockets beneath these 2 sockets, and one is one is airbag socket. After taking, so you take this thing out. Then this is the new one that I'm about to fix. So this is the old one, and this is the new one that I'm about to fix for the customer. So you push it back the way you took it, and the lockers will lock itself. Then you plug in back the sockets, then the airbag socket. So you fix everything back the way you took it out. Then you fix the steering wheel back. Me you see lock and share me solid. The lock and share. Fix the. So now everything is fixed. So it's left to me to fix the nut that I took out, which is 21. So I fix the nut back. Then I test the horn. Now the horn is working. So after that, I'll check the other panels and see if all of them are working. After fixing everything back, after fixing the wires and the horn back, you just push in. Just push it in and it will lock. After fixing everything back, when you push it in, now it is locked perfectly. And now the horn is working, all the panels are working. Let me
causes of displacement.
so now lowering the volume, it works. Now increasing the volume.
Access to energy is one of the
And
biggest
changing the channels.
especially
It's working, and the cruise is also working, and the reset button is also working, and now the mode is also working, the mute is working, then this is also working. So now I'm done. Subscribe to my channel.